Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to troubleshoot why ConvertKit is crashing and what usually causes these unexpected shutdowns or errors. Typically a combination of browser issues, system overload, or conflicts with external tools causes ConvertKit to freeze, reload, or suddenly stop working. Browser instability is one of the most common reasons. If your browser has too many tabs open, outdated software, or corrupted cache data, ConvertKit pages like the dashboard, email editor, or automation builder may crash or refresh unexpectedly. Extensions such as ad blockers or script blockers can also interfere with how the platform loads. Another reason is internet instability. A weak or interrupted connection can cause the system to lose sync with the server, resulting in pages freezing or crashing during actions like saving emails or editing automations. Heavy usage inside the account can also trigger crashes. Large email lists, complex automations, or multiple campaigns running at the same time can put extra load on the browser and the platform, especially when loading analytics or editing advanced workflows. To fix these issues, refresh, clearing cache, or switching browsers often resolves the issue. Thank you for watching. Quick tweak.